Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of my paintings. As I told you before, pouring paint is not all that I do. I paint as well, and I use paste and just acrylic paint and a few different techniques as well. I like to try different styles and paint something different and something new from time to time. And well, I can start with this one. This one is well, I am really happy with this one. As you can see, it's gold background with a all blacked out face and a blue Tiffany suit, and the face is the blackest black of paint. And I'm really happy with this one. Yeah, it's called No Face. Or no, it's not called No Face, it's Faceless. Sorry. River of Gold. And again, and I have gotten quite a lot of compliments on this one. As you can see, the golden river here, just flowing in the middle. I do really like this one. And with this one is a lot of paste. So it is a lot of texture. This one is really fun. And these are just a few of the paints that I have done. And this one is this one is a fun one. And as you can see, it's got paste. And yeah. And this is for the dog lovers, or for the pop art and Chihuahua lovers. Well, my fiance and I had a Chihuahua, so I made this one. And this also is made with paste, as you can see. Pop art. With a twist with my own style, of course. Just not just a twist, because it's 100% my style. I do love this one. And I can show you now the latest of my paintings. This one is the latest, and I have used quite a few different techniques with this one. And well, I have with this bottle the color red from Amsterdam inside of a plastic bag, and cut a hole in it and squeezed it out. And I had to do every direction in one squeeze, left and right. It's quite thick, and everything is in one squeeze. And when I did up and down, I did it intentionally, so it's a bit zigzag. Man, it was fun. And with the yellow, I mixed the yellow with paste to make it even thicker. So I think it's even cooler. And with the blue, it's pearl white and white mixed with blue, and mixed again with water. So it's so I actually so I could use it as pouring paint. Well, this one is, I'm truly happy with this one. And this is 1.5 meters tall. and 1.2 meters wide. So it is quite large. Now, I must say that I like this one. So just the little details. As you can see, this one and this one is the same, and this one that looks to the right is the same as that one, and so on. Oh, thank you so much for the time, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.